My family and I traveled from California to Ohio to purchase my childhood home. Join us on our family adventures as we renovate this 1960s bungalow into our family home. So continuing with this renovation series, we are currently renovating the master bedroom right now. We are reframing studs and replacing headers. There's been a lot of water damage in this room over the years, and you wouldn't have known unless you have taken out the drywall. So thank God that we were able to take out the drywall and see the actual damage, the water damage. Now we are currently replacing and reframing all the studs that's been water damaged and rotted out. This AC unit has been the main culprit for this specific area. You see that it's rotted out the jack stud and the king stud, and a little bit of the siding as well. So pretty much right now I'm just replacing it all, tearing it out, and going to replace it with some fresh new wood and actually take this AC unit out because this thing is trash, old. I mean, I don't know if it's trash. I guess it worked over the years, but it's old and it's leaking, and that's why the studs are rotted out. So I'm gonna be taking out this AC unit, but first let's take out these studs that are rotted out and replace them with some new ones, and then take out this AC unit. I know some of you all want to know, why didn't you take out the AC unit first? Well, you see what happened was I wasn't thinking, so yeah, but it all worked out. Reframing it first and then taking out the AC, it still worked either way, so it really didn't matter. But I would recommend, if you are doing something similar to what I'm doing, I would definitely recommend taking out the AC unit first, then replacing your studs. So after taking out this jack stud, I guess I should explain a little bit. So the jack stud is the one that is closest to the window and it holds up the header. And the king stud is the one that is sistered right next to the jack stud that's connected directly to the top plate and the bottom plate. Your top plate and bottom plate are the horizontal pieces of wood that creates your wall. Am I explaining too much? Let me know in the comment section. I'll stop, seriously. I'll really stop. Maybe, we'll see. No lie. No lie, y'all. I don't even know how this header did not fall when I removed this jack stud and king stud. There's pretty much nothing holding it up. I do not know how it did not fall. So I guess it just connected to the top plate, so it shouldn't move. So this AC unit was a struggle. I did not know how to actually take it out. No lie, I do not know how they actually did this. I guess it was sitting on like a metal rod or something that was attached to the house. So I had to figure out a way to rip it out and to get this AC unit out of the window. Alright, so this step was totally unnecessary. So this is the bottom plate of the window. It didn't have any water damage really on it, I think. Not really, no, it didn't look like it had any water damage on it. So, yeah, I really did not need to replace it actually. And finally, don't judge me on the way that I cover up this window. I know it's janky. It's janky. Alright, y'all, made it back to the reno. I don't know if I showed you guys. This is the progress. Bam. Hole in the floor. Clean cuts. Slap, 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 cut. So now we are moving the toilet right here. One toilet right there. One toilet right here. Progress, y'all. Progress. Let me get y'all a better view. Hold on. So like I said, this is where the pipe was cut. Hopefully nothing coming out there. It's getting there. It's getting there, guys. Progress. I didn't show you guys this though. So obviously I showed y'all I finished that. So I got that done. But I didn't show you what I was working on over here. So I've been working on siding over here too. So today is, like I said, more demo, more cleaning up, more kind of getting things ready. Yeah. All right, guys. I'll check in with you guys later. Look at the flow. Oh, look at that flow. All right, I gotta show y'all the other one. Oh my gosh, look at that flow. Look at that flow. Oh my god. Look at the echo too. This is what happens when you don't have carpet. All right, y'all. So I'm back at the house, focusing on this whole situation right here. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Let's get started on this. All right, so we are going to start taking out this window. This thing is utterly disgusting and terrible. You see how just flimsy it was. And we're going to do something that we did earlier in the video, which is add a jack stud. And we're going to do something new and replace and correct the header. So and as you see, I took out the bottom plate as well because that thing was rotted. And we're just gonna replace everything with just new wood, nice new wood, and go from there. All right, so now I'm taking my jack stud and connecting it to my king stud. And I'm gonna make sure that my bottom plate is secured to the jack stud. And I just gotta be real with you guys. Make sure that you have the right tools when you are doing framing or working and doing reno or demo or DIY, whatever it is. Make sure you have the right tools, because this drill that I had, it was Ryobi. It was garbage. I had to call my wife in and she had to help me. Still didn't really help. I'll just be real, that tool was garbage. Now I took down my header and I am cutting all the nails out of my header. There's no plywood in between, so I had to take it all out and put a 1/2 inch plywood so it can be the right thickness for my 2x4 jack studs. I believe I had 1/4 inch plywood, so you kind of see me doubling it up so I can make sure that it's 1/2 inch to be the right thickness, like I said, of my jack studs. And yeah, everything worked out perfectly once I put this piece of plywood in. Alright guys, just finished up framing the window. Yeah, that's the window, yo. That's the window. Got the header situation going right there. Bam, bam. Then I got the plate that I put down right there. Now I can just fit the window in there. Everything's superb. I'll let you guys check in with Jasmine.
Hey guys, I'm here with Zuzu. Susie, say hi. Hi, baby. Hey. She's getting so big, it's crazy. But, yeah, we're sitting, figuring out what we're gonna do about outer bathroom. I'm looking for sinks, faucets, the vanity wood. Yeah, chilling in the garage right now. This is our headquarters, basically. Hey, baby. Hey, yes, you show everybody how you put your tongue. Yes, baby. Good job, boo-boo. Good job. Good job. Say bye. Say bye.
Alright y'all, just finished up with putting the window back in. Clearly, I got my mother here. Say hi, Mom. Working! Oh Lord, help her. She ain't working.
She hardly working. That means you got them on backwards. Look at the gloves. She got the gloves on backwards. Lord Jesus. She's clearly not ready to work. Clearly not ready to work. Terrible. All right, so we got this room done. It's officially done. Bam, bam, bam. Situation done, done, done. My mom barely did any work. Barely pulled those nails and was like, crazy. Now on to the next room. I think I showed y'all this, but we got the plumbing situation going. Still going. Just gotta backfill all this stuff and then start tying it in together. So it's getting there, guys. At the end of the day, it's getting there.
Alright, so I think that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you comment in the comment section, hit that notification bell, like and subscribe, and until next time y'all, I will see you in the next video.